What's up, you guys? It's Olivia here and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this purple look for you guys inspired by my shirt. I love it so much. I think it turned out very pretty. If you want to see this look, then just keep on watching. Hey guys! Okay, so I've already prepped my eyes with LA Girl concealer and I filled in my eyebrows too. So here I'm just mapping out a guide. I'm not going to be smoking out the eyeshadow today, so I'm going to keep the blending very tight. I'm going for a very dramatic catty look. So here I'm just deepening up that line with Smooth Criminal from Morphe / Jaclyn Hill palette. I decided to go for a purple look to match my shirt today. So I'm just dipping into a purple and covering the entire lid. I just picked up a darker purple now and I'm applying it to just the outer corners of my eye, giving a nice gradual fade into the lighter purple. Here I'm just applying mascara from Maybelline. I did my lashes off camera just because I need to get super close to the mirror to apply them. Okay, so next is foundation. With Fenty Beauty foundation, I'm just applying that all over the face with a beauty blender. Using LA Girl concealer, I'm applying that under my eyes and down the sides of my nose just to give the illusion of a thinner nose. And a little on my forehead as well. Make sure to blend that out really well, guys. To brighten up my under eye even more, I'm going in with MAC concealer. It's probably like 4 or 5 shades lighter than my skin tone. And then I'm going to blend that out. Okay, so now using Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick Foundation, I'm contouring my cheekbones and my forehead and my jaw. Definitely make sure to blend that out really well as well, so there are no harsh lines. Okay, so now applying blush to the apples of my cheeks and slightly dragging that back. I'm using e.l.f. by the way. On to my favorite part of makeup. I like contouring my nose, so I'm just using the shade Shh from Jaclyn Hill's palette. Using a touch more of my matte concealer, I'm just going in on the bridge of my nose. Okay, time to set my face, so I'm just setting my under eye, my forehead, underneath my contour with Laura Mercier translucent powder. Okay, so using Urban Decay Naked Illuminated, I'm applying highlight to the tops of my cheekbone. Oh, look at that glow. Okay, finishing off the look with a pinky lip from Rimmel London and a gloss in the center. And the look is complete. Alright guys, so this is the finished look and I really like it. I thought I would do something like very monochromatic. I'm wearing purple, so I kind of felt like purplish today. I wasn't going to do any color, but something just was like, you know what, let's do some color. Let's do some color. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Watching. Say bye-bye.